Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 LDV D90 Deluxe, stock reference number 5514. This shape runs from the 11th month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a 2.0 L4E, 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2.0 L4E, 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left front, 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a bald flat tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has 3 small dents, right power door mirror and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heating controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster.